In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create a template for spraying instructions, ensuring safe and effective application across your fields. Start by navigating to the Templates section in the InField dashboard. Here, you'll find various template options. Select the Add Template button to begin creating your customized plan. In the Details section, you can add the template name into the respective column. Ensure that this is easily understandable for other users within your company. Select the instruction type from the drop-down list, as well as the correct application method for this specific template. You can select the team member from the Recommended by column, as well as the Issued by column, and then select one or more operators from the available drop-down list. Add any additional notes or mixing instructions into the Comments field. Users can then add all the fields for which this template is applicable by selecting the field name from the drop-down list. The InField system will then populate the field's information into their respective columns. By selecting the Add Field button, users can add multiple fields. The next section allows you to select the growth stage of the crops during which this template should be applied. Select the correct stage from the available options. Next, choose the products you'll be using for the spray. After selecting the products, the active ingredients will populate, and you can search the reason for application from the various options. You must then input the recommended dose rate and the measurement unit, as well as the pre-harvest interval value in days. The template's calibrations can then be selected. Click on the calibration name column and select the appropriate option. This will allow the InField system to populate the rest of the calibration-related columns. By selecting the Add Calibration button, more than one calibration can be added if needed. You can now complete the Personal Protection Equipment section by clicking on the various icons that need to be worn during both the mixing of chemicals, as well as the application process. If unsure, please refer to the product labels. The product mixture section is populated by the InField system. Review that all the products are visible, however, the concentration, total and tank liters will only display values upon applying the template to an instruction. Once all the information is complete, select the Create button, found at the bottom of the form. The template entry will save, and can be found within the dashboard list view. Manage the template records by selecting the three-dot menu of the respective entry. This will present you with three options. The Edit option allows you to make changes and update information within a template. The Copy option will create a duplicate template based on the selected record. A prompt will appear, where users will need to create a unique name for the duplicate template, and then edit the information as needed. The Apply option lets you apply the template to a spraying instruction. When you choose Apply, a prompt will display options to remove specific details from the template. Select what information you want to exclude, and the instruction will adjust accordingly. Using these simple steps, you can easily create and manage templates for your chemical applications. For further assistance, visit our Help Center articles.